Can I come in?
Yes, my dear. Come sit.
Do you love me, Grandpa?
More than anything in the world.
Do you miss me at school?
Every moment, my little angel.
Grandpa, I feel happy with you.
I feel happy when you are near.
Were you happy when you were young?
Yes, life taught me many lessons.
Can you teach me something today?
Always be kind and honest. Jules,
I promise I will be kind.
that makes me very proud.
Sometimes I feel scared at night.
Do not worry, I am here.
I feel safe with you. I want to be a good person.
Good hearts make the world better. These moments are precious.
I love you, Grandpa.
I love you forever.